Do you feel constantly tired throughout the day? Are you struggling to focus or dealing with frequent forgetfulness? The reason might be much simpler than you think: vitamin B12 deficiency. In this video, I'll break down why B12 is so crucial for our body, what happens when you're running low, and how you can boost your levels, all in under 3 minutes. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that our body cannot produce on its own. That means we have to get it through our diet or supplements. So, why is it so important? First, it helps our cells turn food into usable energy. Second, it maintains the protective sheath around our nerves, making it essential for brain health. Third, it prevents anemia and ensures oxygen is transported efficiently throughout your body. And finally, it plays a major role in creating DNA, the fundamental building blocks of our cells. So, what happens when your B12 levels drop? If you're experiencing any of these signs, you should take note. Chronic fatigue and low energy, numbness or a pins and needles sensation in your hands and feet, forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, brain fog, a red or swollen tongue, and frequent mood swings. Strict vegetarians, vegans, people who have had gastrointestinal surgeries, and older adults are at a higher risk of developing a deficiency. Naturally, vitamin B12 is found almost exclusively in animal-based foods. The richest sources include red meat and liver, fatty fish like salmon and tuna, shellfish, eggs, milk, yogurt, and cheese. If you follow a plant-based or vegan diet, meeting your B12 needs through food alone can be challenging. In that case, B12 supplements or B12 fortified foods are key. An important note: the only way to know for sure if you're B12 deficient is through a simple blood test. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplements. Are you experiencing any of these symptoms? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.